Uh, Hello, I will proceed with the pre-lecture videos for sharing the TBL and FL methodologies. So before we start, please note that the content of this lecture is just for reference, and I appreciate you to focusing on how TBL and FL is practically applied rather than the content itself during the lecture. There are a total two pre-lecture materials, and each of them consists of a short video of no more than 5 minutes. Please make sure to study the pre-lecture materials for demonstration lecture and evaluation schedule for the meeting on February 2nd. Hey, the first pre-lecture covers the concept of fonts. And first, let's start by explaining the definition, concept of fonts. So, the first, the letters, it's literally a visual symbol system. It refers to the entire visual symbol system used to represent language itself. And next, types, that means it's kind of mold made of the metal or woods, etc., for the casting letters to print. And a typeface is a collection of similar shaped types. That's very simple. And a font family, it refers to a collection of variations of the same typeface created by adjusting slant or boldness or width, something like that. And finally, the font refers to a collection of typeface with the same shape and size within a font family. Please remember each of these definitions well. And the next is characteristics of fonts. Especially the consideration for font selection. The first, legibility. That means how where the characters are visually discernible. How well the individual forms of letters can be recognized. And the second one is readability. It might be confused with the legibility, but it's a little bit different. It refers to where the noticeable characters convey meaning as word or sentence. Next one is the historicalness. That means meaning of the background or historical context or intentions behind the development of the fonts. And final last one is aesthetic impression. This concept refers how well the fonts harmonize with other elements like layout or graphics, and it also means how beautiful it appears. And the last part of this lecture is about types of fonts. Fonts are broadly classified into serif and sans serif fonts. First, a serif font means unique extensions. It has unique extensions at the end of the characters. Each extensions, the features, originated from characters carved on the monuments made of stone in the Roman era, and it is also closely related to the natural features created when using the traditional writing tools such as brush or pen. In line with these backgrounds, serif typefaces are typically suitable for creating a classic or vintage atmosphere. Additionally, serif fonts often show the significant contrast between horizontal and vertical strokes. I'm sorry. Yeah. And Sans serif, it literally means without serif, so that means sans serif in French as well, indicating a typeface without such kind of extensions, such kind of the features. This typeface is emerged alongside with the 19th century, Industrial Revolution, the age of Industrial Revolution. It naturally developed due to the demand for the simple fonts and the proliferation of mechanical printing. And while sans serif typeface existed before the Industrial Revolution, but they began to be formally defined during this era. Unlike serif typefaces, sans serif fonts generally have less contrast between the horizontal and vertical strokes. This style, the sans serif, born in the industrial age, so that means is very favorable for creating a modern atmosphere, and it is most widely used style for digital displays, including the websites. So this is all, and in the next lecture, we will explore the detailed examples of serif and sans serif typefaces, providing insight to their specific variations. Thank you.